Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Near Protocol and Binance. It's easy to get this done. Easily open up your Binance application. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on Binance with a verified account. How can you buy the Near Protocol token? It's easy. The deposit icon, select this deposit icon. Once you selected the deposit icon, you're met with the option of depositing cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency you can deposit on Binance can easily be converted into the Near protocol, be it 1inch, AVE, ACE, AC Milan fan token, whatever you have, you could easily deposit here and convert it into the Near protocol token. And if you have some fiat currency outside, let's say with your bank card, select the more icon and click on deposit fiat. So once you select deposit fiat, you're met with the option to deposit fiat via your token. That's the selected token. Let's say you have some US dollar or some Mexican pesos or the Australian dollar or the Brazilian real. All you need to do is follow with the payment method that is shown. Alright guys, and once you selected the fiat currency, all you need to do is follow the instructions. So once you've been able to deposit some fiat on your Binance, the next step would be to easily move over to the convert icon here. You could confirm your deposit by heading to the wallet section, scrolling from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your cryptocurrency is stored. And once you found your crypto, head back to the home, select the convert icon at the top left, select the convert icon. Once you've selected, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to use. Let's say you've got some Ripple USDT, enter an amount of USDT, click on the cryptocurrency you're converting to, and simply search for Near. Select the Near protocol, enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy it for, and then simply click on buy. So once you've done this, you have the Near protocol on your wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.